Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you find yourself thinking about things that you can't control? Rather than spending all of that energy, I'd like you to start focusing on what you can control. How can you take responsibility for yourself and everything that you do? When you do this, you'll see just how much power you actually have in your life. Ready to start taking responsibility over what you can control in your life? Let's dive in. When you own everything that happens in your life, and everything you experience in your life, you have so much control. When you stop blaming others for your experiences, you find that you have the power to make the changes. I like the saying, things aren't happening to me, they're happening for me. What a different way to look at things in your life. That's why I love thinking about how you can take responsibility for how you can own how you experience everything in your life. Think about a situation in your life. How are you reacting to it? Are you telling yourself that you don't have any control over it? What if you took this same situation and thought about it differently? What if you change your thinking just enough to create a totally different feeling about it? For example, let's say you have a situation where you get handed a project on a Friday afternoon that needs to be done by Tuesday morning. You could look at this situation and blame the person giving it to you for ruining your weekend. Or you could consider the project a way for you to enhance your skills in this area and be grateful that someone trusted you enough to know that it would get done on time. Just seeing how different this scenario can look is how you know that you have the power to create the experience that you want in any situation. You'll never have a life that's totally perfect. There are going to be circumstances that come up that you may not agree with, but I want you to know that you have the power to choose how you react to every situation. You get to take the life that you have and utilize every moment as an opportunity. You get to take each opportunity and choose how you want to react to it. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.